Hello everyone, today I'm making crispy skin chicken fried rice. It uses the most crispiest skin ever. Please come to the kitchen with me, I show you how. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. Let's get right in. I have a pan with water and I added vinegar and salt. If you watch my video often, you will see this is the way that I blanch the meat before cooking to sanitize them and get rid of the animal smell. So when the water is boiling, I add my chicken. I use 2/4 leg chicken. And I will flip them to cook the other side. Total about 2-3 minutes, not longer, because this purpose is we blanching, we're not cooking. So when it's done, I remove, and then we will be cooking them. So this is the spices that I will cook the chicken in. You can find the recipe in the description box below. I have a written version there for you. So I add the oil in my pan, and I add the aromatic ingredients. Oh, you can. I wish you were here because my whole kitchen smells so good. My husband, he passed by, he said, "What smell good? What smell good?" So I added the water and I immediately drop in the chicken. I want to cook the chicken when the water is cold. And I will bring my pan to a boil. I season with fish sauce, soy sauce, and when it came to a boil, I lower the heat to the lowest setting, almost no cooking at all, and I cover the chicken for 20 until I check my chicken and they are cooked. The way you can see, if you use a stick, chopstick or skewer to piece into the thickest place, and the juice coming out clear. If you see still blood, that means not cooked yet, and then you leave it in the pan longer. So I say 20-30 minutes is depends on your stove, your pan. And when they are done cooking, they are cooked, I remove them and let them dry. And then we go to the next step. Now I prepare making fried rice. In my bowl there I have a little turmeric with the stock from the broth from the cooked chicken, and 1 egg yolk. I mix and mix in the rice with salt and pepper. Now I mince the garlic and we will go with stir-fried rice. You keep watching me mincing my garlic, and I like to take opportunity to say thank you for stopping by, watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please like, share my videos so many people know about them, and subscribe. That shows your support to me. I have a passion for food, cooking, baking, gardening, home improvement, and everything in between. I know everything. I share it with you here. So I add the oil into my skillet, and it's hot enough now, so I drop in my garlic. The thing that when you cook garlic, you need to keep an eye on them, because when it's blonde, it's ready. You don't want to wait any longer. Your garlic will burn and it will have the bitter taste. Okay, I drop in my rice. You can see with the help of egg yolk and turmeric, my rice have a yellow color. And you stir until you like the dryness of it. You can taste it, and decide that you will cook further or not. Someone likes very dry, someone likes a little dry, someone wants some moisture in the rice. If you want to mold it into a shape of a bowl, you need to do it now while it's still hot. And I do so. You see, I press my rice down and I will invert it into the plate. And it will hang in there to wait for other components. Yeah, we have a lot of components to go. Fried chicken, and then we will have a soup, some vegetables, and the dipping sauce. Now, the oil is hot, and that's what you need to taste it first. And the chicken rest and dry. You can see I use my gloves to pick up the chicken, and I drop and lift 3 times before I put the chicken onto the strainer, and I will scoop the hot oil over the chicken. You can see now it's golden, and when I basted the oil onto the chicken, sometimes the skin box. That's what you're looking for. But one thing very careful about this operation, you need to have your chicken very, very dry. You can see on my plate I have paper towel when you see my lip of the chicken, because I keep paper towel there to soak up all the liquid from the chicken, and I use the paper towels to clean the skin as well, so that they are perfectly dry. If you see your chicken needs dryer, you can use the hair dryer or you can use the fan. And when your chicken golden and pops everywhere, that's what you remove from the oil, and they are ready because they are already cooked. We just need like 4 or 5 minutes to crisp up the skin. Now the next component is green mustard green with the chicken broth. I scoop up some chicken broth from the pot, and I heat it up, and I drop in the mustard green. Those mustard greens I grow myself, and I season with some minced ginger, and that's it, they're done. Now I cut up some cucumber and radish. You can see this is a perfect meal. You have meat, you have protein, you have carb, you have rice, you have soup. For liquid, you have vegetables cooked and raw. Very perfect meal. That no wonder people love this dish. In Vietnam, some restaurant or street food store, they sell the only thing, this one, and people queuing to come and buy. Normally you don't do this dish at home because when touching about frying chicken in hot oil like that is intimidating. It can be dangerous, it can be difficult, but I show you all the techniques that the pro have. So give it a try and let me know how it goes. So that's it. For the sauce, for the dipping sauce, I have a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons of chicken broth, minced ginger. If you like a little sour taste, you add a tablespoon of black vinegar that the Chinese normally use. Okay, now let's test the taste. You can see you listen to the sound of my chew. It's so crispy. You see in my hand there, and listen to the sound. It's perfectly crispy. The technique, this is pure Chinese clever technique. That makes the chicken with the crispiest skin ever. And we can do it at home. Now the secret from the pro reviewed, we can do it at home. Just need to be careful. I hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Please come back to see me and watch other video. I have a lot of video for chicken or rice or everything, bread. I do a sourdough bread and everything. Thank you. Bye bye.